Hi, I'm Donnell Flynn out with Joel Bolin Morgan.
Bolin Jolin this afternoon in Wyandotte, our city of the week.
Yeah, we're over at Biddle Bowl. Biddle Bowl is on Biddle Road, and Biddle Road was named after Major Biddle, a war hero from the War of 1812.
Major Biddle, we salute you.
Oh, my God. Also, Major Biddle was the 4th mayor of Detroit, but he only served for a year, Joel. That's weird.
Sounds like a scandal.
A little shady there, Major Biddle. I don't know what to tell you. So we're out screwing around like we like to do while we're out for City of the Week, and Joel and I are in the middle of a just to the death game of bowling.
That's right, man. And I've got Norm's ball, and I'd like to point out something very special about Norm's ball.
Norm's name is actually engraved in the ball.
See, here we go. Norm, right? And then he's got his normal hole, but Norm has an extra hole, and I don't know why Norm has an extra hole in his ball.
I think you should use that extra hole when you bowl.
Well, I don't know how I would apply that. Maybe I could do two-handed bowling or something like that, but I'm going to give it a shot right now. Here we go.
Right. Do it, Joel. Do it. This is Joel doing the extra hole bowl at Biddle Lanes. That was not...
That extra hole totally messed me up, man.
All right, Joel, it's my turn to bowl. I feel like a Dr. Seuss book right now.
All right.
There's an extra hole in the bowl at Biddle Bowl. Here you go, Joel.
All right, cool. And while we're waiting, I just want to let you know, I bought my 50-50 raffle tickets from the fine ladies who are bowling here today. That's right. And if I hit the jackpot, I'll split it with everybody watching our video on WCSX. Any comments on that?
Right now, Joel and I are in a massive battle over who's going to stink more. Thank you, cameraman Steven, for going in on our score. I really loved it when I got the gutter ball after my one and only spare. That was the topper for me. If you want to come challenge Joel and I think you can beat us.
Right here at Biddle Bowl. Big thanks to Judy and all her crew.
Judy!
Oh!
We're kicking it old school at Biddle Bowl with WCSX.